There was a little bit of a burr on this fitting here, and just a couple of swipes of the file took care of that, so it's smoothed out, ready to go. Part goes on the inside, and aren't they all the same? Whoop. You want me to put the O-ring on while you hold it?
Get the right size. There's a big one.
Alright, here he goes. Here we go again. Second attempt. There, it's on.
Now we're going to put this on backwards. We don't want to.
It's a little bit.
Care about gripping the boat.
Right. It's a little bit curved. We want the smooth edge toward the boat. Here, grab some channel locks. He's going to tighten her up. Just a quick tour of the boat. Used to be my grandfather's boat. Now it's my father's boat. He's putting a plug in it just to drain the water out. It's quite the, looks like he's got new tires on the trailer, getting it ready to so he can go fishing and stuff. And you know, always a project here at the Helms garage. Some of you have seen pictures of my garage. Just a quick, woo, that's a messy garage. That's a messy garage.